So another item, kind of a hole or a gap in our product line that we noticed were our lip pulls. Lip pulls are very popular. People want a minimal, the whole the minimalistic kind of vibe was happening a while ago. People kind of want that, but you still want your hardware to have a little bit of a statement or make a statement. So we brought out a group that certainly makes a statement. It is a lip pull, but it's got these wonderful kind of lines that run through it, and the way that it affixes is completely different. So most lip pulls are gonna go behind the hardware, and you're gonna have a little bit of the visibility. This one affixes this way to the hardware, so you actually have that look on the hardware. What's great about that is you can actually do these in various sizes, so you can do them in various angles. So if you wanted to put 2 by a door, you could do that. You could stack them that way. They're good, hefty, great piece of hardware, not as minimalistic, but still has that kind of vibe to it. This one is called Linea, a very minimalistic kind of take on a lip pull, but it still makes a statement. So it still kind of fit into our proclamation.